Welcome to the YouTube channel Technical Trainer. Today I am going to discussing about how to perform core installation to GUI installation in Server 2012. Firstly, in CMD, type start PowerShell. After opening of PowerShell, type install -Windows feature space server GUI -mgmt -infra server GUI SHELL shell space restart and enter. और आप इस कमांड को डिस्क्रिप्शन से भी कॉपी कर सकते हैं. After finishing the process, it automatically restart. As you can see, it's automatically restart. Then login with administrator. As you can see, GUI installation is complete. Thank you for watching and subscribing this video and share this video.